my god. Ain't that just the cutest Dylan you've ever seen?
Cut your hair? What? You cut your hair again?
I've been cut, man.
The weirdest thing to the grab.
Yeah. I think I'm probably
Ah!
Almost got me.
Anybody got money?
Oh, wow.
Well, she's walking like she's got a key. And she goes and she opens the closet.
No way.
I'm like, honey, what are you doing? I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'm like, the bathroom's there. And she's like, okay.
Hey, wait for me. Wait, let me get
Hey, wait for me.
Hey, wait for me.
Hey, wait for me.
Can you wait for me? Alright, Neil, go.
Right now, no. Wait for me. Right now, wait for me.
Neil, you can do it. Annoying dog again. You got some moving on my shirt. Swipe up to get iced up. Swipe up to get iced up. Swipe up to get iced up. Swipe up. Alright, Ben.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Ah! Ow! I'm stuck. Call the ambulance. I'm stuck.
The ambulance is around the corner.
Did I break it? No. I broke it. Nothing broken. It's okay. No, it's okay.
Oh no, it spins, dude.
It's just, look, it spins. Look, we're just doing that. We didn't break it, trust me. We need help.
Well, I learned we do the same thing to free fix it.
Oh, my pussy. Sorry. Sorry. Want to carry him?
You're all out of breath.
Yeah, bring him to me.
I want to eat the candles.
Okay,
What are you doing?
God, Satan is here.
Wait, are these like,
so
are these those
focused.
jokes?
about breaking everything. That's it. I'm not really worried. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, bro, that's us, bro.
Third place goes to Rams Franco.
Yeah, let's go, boy.
Second place goes to Jacob
Hey, that's me, bro.
Puppy. 16 to 18.
Yeah, buddy. Wow, I feel very gay right now vlogging like this, but how am I supposed to do this? Okay, so this is my first race this season, and I still got second overall because I'm just flexing that beginner, you know what I'm saying? I'm just that fast.
Second place, Jacob Kelp.
Oh, wow. Got that
First
one right.
place.